Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, shall we all rise? Shall we all rise once again? Shall we all rise? It's symbolic, it's memorable. It's 25 years of remarkable years of His Majesty being the 16th occupant of the golden stool. Symbolically, His Majesty will have to cut a cake together with Her Royal Highness, Lady Julia. And of course, the occupant of the silver stool of the Ashanti Kingdom, Nana Mampong-Hene. And of course, the Asumja name will also be in attendance. The former Chief Justice of the Republic is also here. So now we call His Majesty Now, the first cut will be done by His Majesty Otumfuo to the second, together with the occupant of the silver stool, Nana Mampong-Hene, and of course the chairman. So we cut this cake in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Nana, now we have to call on Nana Jobin-Hima, Nana Mampong-Hima, and Mrs. Georgina Kuchi, member of the Council of State, and Nana Kumau-Hima to also help the king to cut the cake. Nana Kumau-Hima, Mrs. Georgina Kuchi, a member of the Council of State, Nana Mampong-Hima, Nana Ajekuma Difie, the second, and of course, Her Royal Highness, Lady Julia Osei-Tutu. It's a symbolic cut commemorating the 25th anniversary of His Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu, the second. 25 remarkable years. 25 of progress and development. Is the pillar of peace and the anchor of progress and development.